HD Boats and Ships Library is a high-definition set of 324 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Ideas General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast wave files are fully embedded with metadata, and each HD Boats and Ships hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From swamp boats to ferry boats, jet skis to ocean liners, and container ships to paddle wheel boats, these outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed, so here we go. The HD Boats and Ships library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast wave and MP3 audio files. The HD Boats and Ships library, available only from Sound Ideas.